Last night, police and army forces destroyed 2 homes in the Kiryat Arba, Hebron area. Our correspondent, Tennis Samuel, traveled to the scene. Last night, an attack took place against the Akko Hesder Yeshiva, located in a mixed Jewish-Arab neighborhood. Shalom to Dorel Avramovich of the Akko Hesder Yeshiva.
Hi.
So what took place at the Akko Yeshiva?
Around 3 o'clock a.m. during the night, we got a call, the Rosh Yeshiva and myself, that there's a burning in the yeshiva, in the office room. The fire came immediately, and they figured that there's a fire in the building, in one of the rooms. It was very quickly, they turned off the fire, and we didn't know at the beginning if it was intentional or not. We thought maybe it's, the electricity, something in the room that caused the fire, but in the morning when the investigator came from the police, he found a bottle with that caused the fire. So it was intentional, and it's bakbuk tavera that someone threw from the outside into the room.
Now, do you suspect the perpetrators are Akko Arabs?
Probably. I mean, it's we can assume that it didn't come from the Jews population. Probably, someone that wants to start it all again. Probably the riots. We don't know, but you have to understand that we are in the middle of. We have majority of Arab population in the neighborhood, and all of the apartments around. 90% of the neighborhood are Arabs. So we don't know right now. They just started the investigation, but it came for sure from the Arab population. Yeah.
Do you think this took place as an Arab Islamic nationalist action, or something done by thugs?
It's a bit early to say, but for sure their leadership, they don't condemn. Didn't condemn what happened 2 weeks ago in Kippur. We don't know right now. It could be local thing, or maybe more than that.
Will this be affecting the yeshiva's schedule, or will things continue as normal?
We're supposed to start a new time, the winter time, Tuesday, and we're going to call all of the parents that we're not going to change the schedule because of this thing. It's very important for us to show everybody that we will continue to learn. We are here, to learn and to be marbet Torah and learning, and nothing is going to change our schedule.
Your yeshiva is part of an effort to reclaim the Arab-dominated portions of Akko, correct?
Yeah, exactly. This is not... basically, Akko is divided to 2 parts. One part is west to the train railroad, which is a mixed population, and east to the train railroad is the Jewish neighborhood, and we are from the west side. As you said, exactly to strengthen the Jewish population, especially in this part of the town. Yeah.
Now, what about those who argue your presence in Akko is a provocation against the Arabs?
They will say it no matter what. We're just here, and they know that we are here. We're not doing any provocation. The yeshiva is a very quiet yeshiva. And I have no arguments with them. They know that they will say it no matter what you will do. But Akko is a Jewish city. There's no coexist. We have majority in Akko of Jews, and they have to learn how to live with us, not the opposite. This is our place. This is part of Eretz Israel, of Medinat Israel, without any excuses.
Thank you very much for joining us.
Sure, you're welcome.